Children, today we are going to learn multiplication 2 digits with 1 digit. 2 digit with 1 digit. Here you can see 21 into 3. So 21 is 2 digit. 3 is 1 digit. So now we will do 21 into 3. 21 into 3. So 21 into 3. First, do you know what are these? Bundles of sticks. Bundles of sticks. Do you know what are these? Loose sticks. These are loose sticks. These are bundles of sticks. So how many sticks are there in the bundle? 10 loose sticks are there in the bundle. Okay now. Okay. Now 21 into 3. So that means 3 times 21. 3 times 21. So 3 times 21. First you see 2 tens 20. 1. So 21. 1 time 21 over. Next to 21. 2 tens 20. Again 1. 21. Now again 21. 2 times 2 tens 20. 21. So 3 times 21. So now we will see the result. Okay. Now add. So you know very well. So what is multiplication? Repeated addition is multiplication. So that's why we add all these 21s. Okay. First we add ones. 1, 2, 3. Next we add tens. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 6 tens 60. 6 tens 60. 3 ones 3. 63. And that means 6 tens 3 ones. I hope you understood how to play the game. Okay. Next we will do another problem. 35 into 4. Okay. 35 into 4. Who can do? Can you do? Okay, right. Alright. Okay. 35 into 4. You do.